Hello everybody, Dadas here in the Dadas Trading System Workshop. Welcome to the next episode of Trade with Dadas. So first of all, I was thinking, because in the first two videos I was showing you the whole platform and I was showing you the trades on the demo account, because obviously, I'm not gonna show you my real account number, and this is pretty obvious, so I had to look at it from a different perspective. But then I thought about it, and perhaps it's better that I don't show you the whole platform and I only show you the trades, because I'm not a representative of any broker, so even when I show you the platform with the broker on it, it looks like I'm promoting that broker. But no. I'm not associated. I'm not affiliated with any broker whatsoever. I'm just myself, and that's it. Okay. So in the previous two, let's put those things aside, and now let's discuss the main topic. In the previous video, I showed you today's morning trade on the DAX 30. Now, for the evening trade, I made the trade on the Dow Jones 30 index. Now, okay, let's look at the trades. They are practically the same situation, as before, as in the morning on the DAX. I first had a stop loss, and then I made the trade properly, right? And I even got a better volume on this trade, on the second trade. So all in all, I made a considerable profit, and a very nice profit. Okay, so first of all, why did I make this mistake? Well, that's on the M15. When we switch to M15 and we look at the trades, you will see that it's obvious that I entered at the wrong price. Yeah, I entered at a high price, so this was stupid of me. Even though I put my stop loss right here, I didn't enter at the correct price, and that's why I simply had to accept the stop loss. And anyways, on the M1, the price action was still suggesting that the trend might be continuing, right? So I re-entered, and like I said, I got a better risk to reward ratio, and the trade was closer to the stop loss level, so I got a better volume, risking even a little bit less. I risked just a little bit, not very much. It's like maybe 50 cents less. Well, not a lot. I just proportionally. So I risked. So my risk here was smaller than on this trade, right? And there I also simply trailed. I started trailing from around here. I started trailing the stop loss, and I simply trailed the stop loss. I waited. I hesitated a little bit for a moment right there, and when I saw that the price didn't wanna go up further, this is an inside bar, right? And the next one showed me that something is cooking fishy. So then just when the price moved up right there, I quickly moved the stop loss to this level, right? Somewhere right here on this level, and obviously the price returned back and took me out. Well, you can see that the level where the price stopped was pretty logical, because it's the close level of yesterday, and that's where the price was going on the retest. Okay, so that's the discussion of this trade. Thank you very much for today. Please like and subscribe. Join me on Patreon. Join me on LinkedIn. Please contact me on Skype if you wish. You can find me on Facebook, Dadas Lifestyle Coaching on Facebook. Okay, and yeah, that's about it. Of course, you can find me on Forex Factory as well. And you can find me on at least 3 Polish forums So yeah, thanks for this episode. See you next time.